That's a hard crack right there, folks. That can only mean one thing.
Oh my gosh. What is going on? We are back, boys.
Got a big feed this morning, and it's not the usual. We got about 1,000 pigeons in this field off the interstate this morning. We've been watching them on the way to work, and then yesterday after work I was able to lock it down.
In the inner city.
In the inner city.
The inner city. We are gonna be. We're not concerned, but we're in town for sure. There's shot at bands, but it's loaded. They've been in there for at least a week. We think it could go down, but we will see what happens here. Should we do a what's in the can while we're at it here?
Might as well.
So I know it's been all summer. Probably found a new flavor over the summer. No, it's still the same thing right here. Purple haze. Let me taste it for you guys. Same as always, best monster out there. We'll let Ryan see what he's got to say, but you guys know where it's at.
Alright, yeah, best monster out there. What do we got here this morning? Oh, you already know, it's the Peachy Keen. Best thing to hit the waterfowl industry since 2004. That's still good. It's still good.
It's still good.
Well, we'll let you know. Stay tuned. Here we are in the city, setting up. They're not flying yet. It's about 6, they'll probably be here in half hour, 20 minutes. Quick setup this morning, only the blinds and a few decoys.
Ripping some hen mallards and about a dozen dove decoys, but I'll do the trick and 2 mojos. But we're gonna finish getting set up here. We'll get back to you with some birds, hopefully. Should we come over? Should we do it?
Yeah, 100%.
Wait. Yeah?
Oh. Nice.
Alright, look at those feathers.
You think they'll come back?
Woo! Yeah. Should we?
That's a tough shot.
Did you get him?
Yeah, no, yeah.
You going down?
Yeah, kind of.
Watch this guy come back again. Woo! You know who started that? Will. Woo!
Here we go.
Come over, should we post him?
You think we could?
Yeah, let's hit it. Yep.
Nice.
Nice wing shoot.
God dang. Oh. He's in the spread. Yeah, and then there's one like way over there.
Alright. We haven't had any crazy decoys yet. No. But I think once the sun gets up, we get a little more flash.
Yeah.
Mojos. Yep.
Oh, hides.
Did you see that wad go towards us?
Yeah.
My gun, I've never had that happen before.
That's just concerning.
Yep. Yeah. Wait. Should we?
Yeah.
Okay. Sucking it.
Oh, all of them.
Do them.
Dick.
Dude, how many did we get?
I don't know if we got any.
Alright, let's get back in. Oh, I got it. Wait.
Stop.
Shoot it. Shoot it, Ryan! Okay. Alright. We a good group that's about to do it. This is hot. Oh my gosh, that's hot. Okay.
Yes.
Yep, white one. Got him. Yeah!
Had to try something.
Look at this.
This is like snow geese.
Oh, they're about to do it too. They're gonna do it on us.
Call it.
Wait. Send them! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! You dropped a bunch. Get ready.
Single. Should we take the single?
2 singles.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, dick.
Yeah.
Come on! How many did you get?
2, I think.
This is ridiculous. Look at this. Look at this, Ryan. Look at this group. Look at this group.
Come on. Get low,
Spin
get
off.
low.
Dude, look at the pigeon. Look at the freaking snow goose.
I know.
It's a vortex. Okay.
The Tundra Tech.
These things are pigeon tech.
Should we be taking those too? Nah.
No.
Not worth it.
Not when there's water out there.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my. Son of a... Yeah! Did you see that? How many we get?
I don't know.
A bunch out the back. My. Son of a... Yeah! Shot call.
Yeah. Yeah.
Send them. Can't shoot all of them. Right?
No. They're kind of close now.
Over. Yeah. Oh my god.
Look at those feathers. Oh, right here, right here. Woo, woo. Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Racking up. Look at this group.
Picture of what?
Right.
Okay, I'll rack this group.
Are they flipping?
I'll rack. Yeah.
Send them up. Yep, I just dropped that. Two. I just dropped 2. Vertical.
Ready?
Watch. Wait.
Oh.
Wait. We're playing back in again. I just love watching them. Let's let the big dogs eat.
Dick. That's bad.
Right here. Oh, go. Let's let the big dogs eat.
Yeah.
Oh, right here. Right here. Oh, going away. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yep.
That was you.
Ready?
Yep.
Go. Oh. I'm jammed now. There we go.
Can we get one out of there?
I think I had too many in there.
Oh. Yeah. Oh. We stopped a pile.
We did. Ready? Ready?
Wait for him to do it right. Yep. Yeah! I don't know how many dropped.
I don't either.
It was fun.
Here's a single. Single for you, or me, or you.
For me. Got him. Finally. That was a lot of shells.
That's going.
I got him. It's all that matters. Okay, here he comes. All right. We got about a fresh 100 coming in here. That's what we got. Yep. Oh!
You could poke them.
Yep. Oh! I just emptied my gun.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I only had about 8 shells in there, but. Okay.
I about put 8 in that.
Do you see that rain out though?
Yeah.
Coming back.
Got to bang some though. Welcome to the show. I hit 2.
Yep.
Should we move?
Probably. I would like to.
Yeah. Oh,
Didn't have one in the trailer.
get that one. Oh. Right there, right there.
All right, let's keep it. All right, guys. It is 8 o'clock. We have one box of shells left, and we have just been absolutely mowing them for the last half hour here. They've just been decoying like crazy.
We've been racking.
We've been racking them off. We've been racking off hard, but we just got a little slow down here. There's some sitting in the field right now, but we got a 3-pack coming at us. But we have no idea how many birds we have down. We're thinking we'll find out here soon. We'll talk to you guys later.
Nice. That was good.
Watch this one. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Nice. Yeah.
Oh, that feels so good.
Just boofing one. Yep. Oh boy. You just...
Oh.
Oh, right there, Ryan.
You. Nice.
Got him. Got him.
Oh,
got
yeah.
him. No, not worth it. Just let him put it in. Yep. Oh, nice shot.
Thanks.
He just crapped his pants.
I would too. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah.
Nice! We're stopping birds. Oh!
Take that if you want.
What?
Choice
Did
is
you
choice is yours.
see him puff? Right here.
Yep. Go. Oh, I'm jammed.
You jam?
Yeah.
Okay, we're down to
Yeah, I've been jamming cattails in my.
down to 3 boxes of shells.
Okay.
So how many shells did that be today? Nice. Shooting the piss out of them. Yep. Yep. Got a couple.
I gotta stop wasting.
Yeah, you do.
That one was like.
Oh, there he sailed. So,
Yeah. I went 100 for 2. Yeah.
that's a white one. Yep.
Yes.
Got him. Outstanding. He's yours.
That was worth the 3.
Yeah, it was. Okay. Shooting him.
Yeah.
Got him. Oh.
This one's yours.
Don't even sit down.
Nice.
It's too easy. Still rolling?
Yep.
All right, guys. I don't even know what time it is right now. We're about 300 shells deep, and they just will not stop. We got them coming in right here. We'll talk to you guys later. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Nice.
Sorry if I rang you
No,
there.
you didn't ring me at all.
Nice.
All right. I think we got over 50.
Yeah.
Like we're consistently shooting like 2 or 3. I think we had one rain out where we shot like. How many do you think we shot on that rain out?
I don't know. 6, 7,
8.
maybe. Yeah.
Should we try and get the 3?
Nice.
Yo. Oh, they switched.
They did. I got mine.
Use
Give us the old switcheroo.
Okay, right here.
Yep. Oh boy, hides. Oh boy, hides. He's got no words.
No words. Well, we're down to one box. That's a dub. This is the Jack Cam, aka the single shot.
Rough cam.
So we got a couple birds coming in here, and one's gonna do it. He's probably not gonna like what happens. Oh, two of them. I think he's banded. Oh, did you see this? Well, I think he had a band angle in there.
You think so?
No.
He did have a red.
Did you see it? Wait. Murder. Well. Did you send him a video?
Yeah.
Okay, well look at this, Ryan. We are out of shells.
No.
Yep. They're all in the gun. Hello!
Western white pine.
Western white pines! Kill him, Ryan. Kill him, Ryan. Kill him!
I can't waste another shell.
Oh, he's right here. He's right here. Shoot him. Okay, no more shells.
Got him.
You got him. All right, guys. It's probably like 8:30 now. We ran out of shells. Then we found another half box. We're back in the game. Oh, single coming over the back. Ryan?
Oh.
Want him? Oh. These birds are tough out here. But, yeah, we, what do you think we shot? 400 shells today?
Just about.
We have not picked up birds yet. We don't know if it's going to be really sad or really good. We're hoping we have over 70 with two guys. It's not terrible. But it has been an absolute blast. These city pigeons just, they're loaded in here. That is beautiful right there.
Yeah.
When they decoy like that, oh.
When they're coming straight on, they're such easy shots.
Yeah. We ended with 85 birds today. Pretty good for a two-man. That was a loaded pigeon hunt, but he's already picked up some of the pile here.
Check out that pile.
But look at that. 85 birds, no bands today, but trying to shelter you guys from the wind.
Well guys, we're heading out now. We're in the truck. Just got picked up. It's 9:30. Ended with 85. Ran out of shells at the end. Definitely could have kept shooting them. They were decoying us as we were picking up. But still a pretty sick day. Can't get much better.
Can't.
We got our early season goose starting in a week here. We're scouting for that already, looking for good feeds. And then we got Noel and Dave heading to North Dakota. They're leaving tomorrow, so should have some good videos coming. This was a nice warm up to get everything back rolling before the season starts, so.
Yep.
Well, we're eating good tonight. We'll see you in the next one.